Mia, how have you been?
Hi, Mr. Cooper. Everything is great. It's good to see you again.
I see you brought your things with you.
Dad, Mia needs a place to stay.
I have a problem with my credit card. For some reason, my card is not working. I couldn't stay in the hotel I was in.
I understand. It happened to me once.
Dad, is it okay if she stays here with us?
Yes, I don't see any problem with that. She can stay in one of the bedrooms. But we are leaving in 2 days.
What a coincidence. I'm also leaving in 2 days. By the way, can you change my booking? I don't have access to do that.
Sure, I'll change your flight details for you.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Cooper.
No worries, Mia.
It's so nice of your father to let me stay.
My father is a good person. He has a big heart. So, Mia, what are we going to do?
I need to take a shower first, Julio. I need to get changed.
I was thinking we could go to Ski Dubai.
Julio, we're in the desert, remember? There are no snowy mountains here.
I know that. Ski Dubai is an indoor ski resort.
Wow. That sounds nice. I'll just take a quick shower and then we can go. Julio, help me with my luggage, will you?
Honey, what are those bags?
Derek, I'm leaving you.
But why?
We've already spoken about this. You don't change your mindset. You're not willing to grow with me. How many times I asked you to go to the gym?
But honey, I work too much. I've had so many problems. I'm still having financial difficulties. My divorce was really expensive. I almost lost my house.
You see what you're doing? You're letting your weakness control you. Those things happened quite a while ago. I can't be with a man like that. I give you so many chances to improve yourself. I wish you the best, Derek. I have to go now. I'll take the rest of my things later.
Why like this? Am I a failure? I can't believe this is happening. Maybe I should go back to Thailand. But I don't have any money. Unless I sell this house. At least she is not trying to take my house.
Hello, sir.
Please, don't call me sir. You can call me James. James is my first name.
Hi, James.
So, tell me, do you live with Derek?
How do you know him?
I know he lives in that house. He was my passenger before. He and his ex-wife, Mia. Are you married to him now?
No, we were just dating. But I just broke up with him. He is not the man I thought he was. I think I understand why Mia divorced him.
Mia is a smart girl. She is a TikTok influencer now. She is some kind of fitness influencer as well.
Wow. That's interesting.
I didn't see any posts from Mia on TikTok. I wonder if something happened to her.
Kid, you shouldn't be worried about Mia. Don't waste your time with her.
Mia is a good girl. I care for her.
I'm sure Mia is doing just fine. Sooner or later, she will post something.
You should go back to Miami. It's a long ride. I can't believe you came all the way here. You must really be in love with her. Next time you see her, propose to her. You will have my blessing.
I care very much for her.
Let's go. I'll walk you out.
Is this your house?
It's my brother's. He's a lawyer.
He must be a very successful one.
He is indeed.
I just want to say that Derek doesn't deserve you. You did good leaving him.
I know. Thank you for the ride. The security guard will open the gate for you.
Wow, look who is here. Mia, what are you doing here? Are you surprised to see me?
Mia, who are they?
This is Sheikh Khalifa and his girlfriend Julie. Mia, you're my friend. How can you say this after everything? Did you know that Khalifa booked economy class? I didn't know that. Khalifa, did you do that?
Yes, I did.
Why?
I didn't want to spend my money on her.
But Khalifa, Mia is my best friend.
Yeah, whatever.
Mia, I'm so sorry for this. It's a little bit late for that, isn't it?
You don't need to worry about it. Mia is my best friend and I'll support her.
Who are you?
I'm Julio. Be careful how you talk to me.
You be careful. I'm a sheikh. I bet you cannot even ski.
Guys, stop fighting.
No. He started it. Why don't we settle this on the slopes?
Are you challenging me?
Yes, I am.
Challenge accepted. You have no chance. Let's go, big boy.